Hi y'all, my name's Kevin. My company makes a tool that helps professional mechanics a lot, and every time I go to use this tool I shoot a little video to show you how it helps. Now I'm changing a blower motor, and I had to remove the brake pedal assembly from inside the car, and the brake booster now wants to move inward when I'm trying to catch the bolts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tool. This is just a prototype. This is like two airbags joined together with a thicker material. Kind of like the locksmith used to open the door, except there's two of these connected together, Siamese. They're not just glued together. This is actually one piece with a seam. And in this case, I want something to hold my brake booster from moving forward when I go under the dash. So I'm going to just take the this pillow right here, and I got to hold the camera to show you, otherwise, but I'm going to pump it up a little bit, and this thing will go out to about 4 inches. But I'm going to take the pillow and I'm going to put it in between the computer and the master cylinder, and I'm just going to pump it up, and it's literally moving the brake booster in and the master in. You don't have to go too crazy with it. And now this won't move forward, and now I can work inside the car. This is called Pillow Jack. It's not available yet. It will be this year. I will sell it off of the website where I sell the mechanics work lights, Goose-Grip.com. Check to see if I have them yet on Goose-Grip.com occasionally. And it's not going to cost a lot of money. Something less than 40 bucks. And this isn't the only thing it can be used for. It can be used for just door trim panels and moving headliners down and holding them out of the way 4 inches when you got to get your hands behind something, holding a starter in place while you catch the bolts, holding an alternator. I had to do brake lines the other day. I put it between the floor and the brake lines to move them down so I had room for the tubing cutter. Wherever you used to reach for a pry bar, now think if there's a place to put Pillow Jack. I mean, this thing can move an engine. If you do an engine mount and then the bolts don't line up and you got to move the motor, this will move the motor forward or backward if you have somewhere to put it between, like the manifold and the fan assembly. You just got to be careful that you're not going to fracture something plastic. But Pillow Jack is really cool. I use it all the time. And it's not, I guess, the greatest video in the world, but for the professional mechanic, it gives you an idea of what I've created and why I created it. Anytime you have to hold something in place or separate something, you could reach for this. I had to do a water pump recently on one of those Toyotas or Nissans where after you took the water pump pulley off, it wouldn't come out. There wasn't enough clearance, and I had to shove the motor over. I put this between the air conditioning compressor and the side chassis, and it moved the motor just enough to get the pulley out. Anyway, Pillow Jack on Goose-Grip.com sometime this year. Look for it. I'm out.